Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So we've got camera 1, 2, and 3, and we're ready to go. And action.
Now we're ready to go.
Now we're ready.
About me, video business card, and action.
Talking about how if there's one thing that could impact housing, it's the increase of interest rates.
The top 3 things that were on my personal list when I was looking for a home was privacy. I wanted a little bit of a yard, which I think a lot of people want.
Ready.
Right behind me, you see a house that's over 1,600 square feet, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 1/4 bathrooms, a 1,700 square foot lot.
This is Alfred with Raouf Realty. I want to thank you for taking the time to preview our website.
We're here at Red Dot, and action.
How cool and unique is it that we're celebrating 25 years of this amazing center being here?